Hey everyone. So here's the LogOX 3-in-1 forestry tool. It's got a cant hook, it has a log hauler, and it has a timberjack. This combination is fantastic. You can take them apart and use them however you really wish. But I find keeping all three together is just as easy. You can see that I use it to drag the log out of the way, and then I can just easily flip this one over and get to cutting with the chainsaw. The tree was in the brush that you see me walking through. As I cut it up, I was able to drag it out and then move it to a good spot to cut it up. We're going to be chainsaw milling this in the future, so I hope you guys stick around for that. I'll put links of everything down below in the description, from the safety gear that I'm using to the LogOX forestry tool itself.